So about less than 2 weeks ago, my mother brought this car, this Buick Skylark 98, over to Lake Elmo Repair in Lake Elmo here right in town. And first they told her that I was sending her over there to get a fuel filter put into her car. And basically they told her that, oh, this, that, and the other thing were wrong with it. And then all of a sudden it wasn't the fuel filter anymore. It was this little thing right here. So I replaced that. And then when she was there, they told her to replace her starter. And if you see down there, I gotta grab my flashlight. They replaced the starter, which this car never had a starting issue. The starter never had an issue. My mother never had an issue. So there you have it down there. They claim it's a refurbished starter. They made her pay about, I'd say $300 for it altogether for the part and the labor, when, you know, you could go to AutoZone and get it for, you know, maybe $60, or, you know, you can find it cheaper around town. So basically they claim this is a new starter. They said they're giving her a deal, end quote, that if something happened to it, it's not on them because it's refurbished. And as I said, we've had the vehicle about 2 weeks, and not even 2 weeks. And well, go ahead and turn the key. There you have it. Go ahead, let off. And there you have it. They either installed it improperly, or the starter was junk. So now, with my very limited tools on a muddy ground, and the only vehicle that my elderly mother has, I gotta get down here and I gotta fix it so that she can go to her doctor appointments. And I just want to make it abundantly clear that, you know, this is what shops do. A lot of them out there do. They have no ethical guidelines. They basically, this is how they do people. You know, you go in to have one simple part replaced, you know what I mean? And then all of a sudden, you got to replace something else that wasn't even wrong, and then that part goes out, and they just made money because they want you to come back and fix it again. It's taking advantage of someone, and I don't like it. I'm just putting Lake Elmo Repair on notice. I don't like that. And I mean, you can clearly see down there, they put it on. I mean, look at that connection right there, that you can see. They don't even have it taped up. You know what I mean? One little piece of that gets loose of that wire, one little splice of that touches anything on there, could fry everything down there. It's a very unprofessional job, in my opinion. I'm a mechanic myself. I don't claim to know everything. I don't claim to be something I'm not, but, you know, I don't try to hoodwink people. I don't try to railroad them, especially elderly people, and take advantage of them. So, again, I'm just putting Lake Elmo Repair on notice. This is, this ain't right. It's not right. Not right at all. You know, there's nothing wrong with this car. It's maintained. I maintain this car myself. Part right here that they claimed would take, you know, about 6 hours to put in, and all this would have to come off. I put this in last night in just under an hour. And, well, as you can see, it works. Everything here works, and everything's replaced. I didn't have the opportunity myself to see if the starter that went out previously in this even actually went out at all. So I highly doubt that the old starter that was in this car was bad, because I drove this car myself and there was nothing wrong with it. So again, you know, this is what shops around the area do. They take advantage of people who, you know, they view as, you know, a mark. And they try to take advantage of you and take money right out of your pocket by giving you parts that you don't need, and taking advantage of a situation. It's very, very, very unethical. I don't like it, and I am definitely planning on doing something about it, and I'm going to make some damn noise about it, because I don't like that. And you people shouldn't like it either. So, you know, either stand up and be heard, or just be one of the sheep.